Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about greater than and less than. To begin, we're going to go over place value and digits. If you've learned about place value, then you know that the place in which a number stands gives it its value. So this is the number 8, it's in the ones place. And it has one digit, one space. This is the number 80, and it has two spaces, so it's in the tens place. Two spaces, two digits. This is the number 800. It has three spaces, or three digits, and it's in the hundreds place. Three digits, three spaces. So here we have a longer list of place values. We have the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, tens thousands place, 100,000s place, and 1 millions. Each number in its place value will have different digits. This is a 1-digit number, a 2-digit number. So if we were to cut this number out, it would just be 82, and it would have 2 digits or 2 spaces. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digits. 7 digits or 7 spaces that the number takes up. So today we're going to meet Angelo the alligator. This is Angelo. He's a funny guy. He loves to eat oranges, but he only eats the numbers that are bigger. He eats the numbers that are greater. Greater is just a big word for bigger. So these little chomps right here kind of remind us of Angelo's teeth. He likes to eat the numbers that are bigger. These are greater than and less than signs. Greater than, which means bigger than, and less than, which means smaller than. And then this sign here, have you seen before? This is an equal sign. The equal sign tells us that the value, the digits, and the numbers are the same. So let's try a couple of examples together. So remember, Angelo the alligator loves to eat the numbers that are bigger. We can tell by the place value. This number has 2 digits. This number has 3 digits. This number is naturally going to be smaller because it only has 2. Now let's try the next one. These numbers look similar. When you look at them, one says 98 and the other says 89. They both have 2 digits or 2 spaces, but the number in the front is bigger on this number, 98, 89. This number is bigger, and Angelo will chomp this number. Doot, doot. Let's try the last one. Something looks a little different here. The numbers have the exact same place value, exact same digits, and they're exactly the same. So we know that this means that the numbers are equal or the same. Angelo the alligator sees so many numbers with different place values. Can you take a pause on the video and read these numbers aloud? Let's do a couple practice ones. 19 and 28 have the same place value, 2 digits each, 2 spaces for each number. But we know that 19 is smaller than 28. And Angelo does not want to eat the smaller number. He wants to eat the big one. Do. So what we can say is 19 is less than 28. That's how that would be read. Let's try a couple more. 42 is it less than, smaller than, or is it greater than, bigger than 81? I think he's small. He's a little bit smaller than 81, so Angelo will eat this one. 42 is less than 81. What about 29 and 42. Try these next ones by yourself. And remember, if the number is exactly the same, which sign should we put? After solving these, the answer should be 29 is less than 42. 931 is greater than 831. The 9 is bigger than the 8. So is 900 bigger than 800. Now this next one should be a little easy. 100 is much more than 1. So he's going to chomp this guy. But these two are exactly the same. So that means it's equal. Let's try these together as well. 19 is blank, then 42. 19 is less than. $209 is blank, then 301. 209 is smaller, or another way to say smaller is less than. So 209 is less than 301. Now these two, try on your own. We know that 81 is smaller than 118, so he's going to chomp this guy. 81 is also less than. 988 is greater than 899. So he's going to chomp that guy. Greater than. And here are some other examples in case you wanted to try a couple more by yourself. You can pause the video or come back to it later. Thanks for helping. Angelo, get some delicious oranges.